So now we are working on the addition for the question number 2. And we have already noticed that domain is all real numbers. What I'm doing now, I am adding the f plus g. Okay, so how will we do that? Let's bring in the function f first, which is 5x squared minus 4x. 5x squared minus 4x. And then I will bring in this plus sign over here. I will suggest here to put the parentheses also for the function so that it should look like where did you get it from? You get it from the yellow highlighted f of x function. And then we can think about the blue highlighted g of x. G of x is equal to a 5x plus 1. And I will bring that function now, which is 5x plus 1. Once that's written down over there, 5x plus 1, we can remove the parentheses now. Okay, removing the parentheses, remember, keep an eye, we don't want to miss it. We don't want to do any mistake. So 4x plus 5x plus 1. What two terms do you think are alike here? What two terms are alike here? 5x and 5x and the 4x. Let me write down this 4x again. It looked really smaller. So 4x plus 5x are alike. Don't think that the 5x square and 5x are alike. No. The terms will always be considered alike if they have the same power of x. And here, this 5x square is not alike with the 5x because x square has a different exponent than x. To determine if the terms are alike or not, I will always combine the terms with the same exponent of x. Okay, so I'm combining now, and what will I write down there? 5x square plus x plus 1. Why is it a plus x? What do you think? Because 5 minus 4 give me a 1. So it's a 1x. I don't need to write the 1 normally, so it's just an x. Addition, so f plus g is 5x squared plus x plus 1. Then let's think about what should be done for the negative. F minus g. We know what's the function of x. We know what's the g of x. Here we did the addition. Let's bring it now the same thing over here and do the subtraction also. Will it be difficult? One thing that we need to take care for the subtractions. Negative sign will always change the signs of every term in the parentheses. So taking care of that thing, let's practice now. So I will write down first in yellow highlighted the function f, and then I will write down the blue highlighted function g. First thing, the function f is a 5x squared minus 4x. First thing, then the blue highlight, g of x. What will happen to that? And keep it in mind, I'm doing the subtraction, the same subtraction that's mentioned here. Combining the functions with the subtraction. And remember, this lesson is being recorded. So whatever we are saying, it's going to be useful for you later. Minus g is a g of x. And we have there now 5x plus 1. Remember, I told you to use the parentheses whenever you're writing down the functions in this way. Parentheses are there, the whole function is there. And because of that negative sign, when you will remove the parentheses, the -1 or negative sign outside will be applied to all the terms in the parentheses. Let's do that. I will remove the parentheses, and that's going to be a 5x squared minus 4x. just written down over there. And then when we will remove the parentheses from there, minus 5x minus 1. Did you get it? What has happened here? It's taking a little bit time to appear on the screen. I have already written it, but now you can see it. You see here, the negative 5x minus 1, both the signs which were positive here changed because of that negative outside. Now we will simply solve the function or the expression here, and that will give us 5x squared minus 9x minus 1. We are done. This question is also already solved. What about the domain for the negative also? Domain will be all real numbers. Nothing changed in this case as well. Got it? Let me stop the recording here.